HLD means high level design rounds. What high level design rounds, what interviewer expects, that you should be able to design a system architecturally. HLD rounds never have any particular perfect answer. It's always a discussion rounds, and interviewers are always want to know that how you are approaching the problem and what are the data points that you're considering of taking this step. Let's say if you chose MySQL, if you decided to use MySQL versus MongoDB or MongoDB versus MySQL, then both are okay, both are good. But the reasoning behind that, why am I using this point, that is very, very important. That is what they look in an HLD round. And what I have seen, that there is a book called Grokking the System Design Interview. I think that is one of the best book that I have seen. Just go and find the PDFs or maybe buy the book and just read the chapter 1. It's very beautiful chapter, that how to design a tiny URL website. Once you go through with that answer, you will see that there are a particular format, there are particular certain data points that you should structure your round, any HLD round. If you structure your round in that way, you will be able to crack those rounds very easily. Obviously, it comes with a lot of personal learnings and personal experience as well. But I think if you study those, if you do read this book, you will definitely able to crack some good interviews or some good HLD rounds. Second is low level design. So a lot of people don't know how to answer low level design. The best way that I have seen, that you should go to Geeks for Geeks or any website and practice at least 5 questions of LLD rounds. By practice, I mean there's a very famous question that how to design ATM design, how to design Book My Show, how to design a Sudoku puzzle. Go to that question, see how to answer that question and write code. Take time. If you don't understand, read the question, read the answers, and exactly write the code in your own laptop for the first time. Once you write the code, you will understand that what is happening. You have to design some classes. It involves class diagrams, class dependencies, design patterns, why they are using singleton design pattern, what is factory design pattern. They are very, very easy and very famous patterns that everyone uses. Rule design patterns, how to design the methods, what is inheritance, and all these things are getting tested in the LLD rounds. Of course, whenever you are giving an interview, you're not expected to write a very perfect code. Nobody expects you to write very perfect code in 1 hour. But what they look for is that how you are structuring those classes, how you are writing those methods, how you are interlinking those classes, how well and how robust your code is, how modular your code is, so that if after the interview there is a new feature request, or if anything new request comes, then you should be able to make the change by making as less lines of code as possible. That is the best low level design structure that you can design for. And in order to reach that state, you have to practice those questions from the websites. Write those questions, write proper code in your laptop, working code, and make the changes in that code. And then go to another question and then try to visualize that question and try to use those approaches in that question. What changes will it have? It will have different rules, it will have different classes, it will have different entities. But the overall structure, you will realize that overall structure will be mostly similar.